Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a good Friday. Well, today, as I was getting ready to go to work, I was going to open up the gate and I looked down and there was this big old fat package. And I looked at the name. There's no name on it. I mean, there's my name, of course, but it doesn't say where it came from. And so I opened up just the edge right here. So to figure out what it was and what was coming and why it came here, I have no idea. So I didn't take everything out because I didn't have time. I had to go to work. And there is nothing else in that bag. So we'll put that away. But I found out what it was. This is my order from Amazon. And look, it came with 3 needles and there's 2 packages like this since I got 2 kits. There's a seam ripper, 2 needles, and one of my handy dandy little threaders. So we got 2 kits like that. It's been a while, and I will write down in the description box what store this is. I did get it from Amazon. So the first one is this one, and they're not Joy Sundays, so we're going to see what is in here. And I don't know if I've ever ordered from this store or not. It's been a while if I have. But isn't that just absolutely gorgeous? It is, I believe, an 11 count, and it's 60 by 60. I'm going to move this one over because it's going to be a moment. And we'll open this up. Now, this is the one that I screwed up on and ordered it in, I'm thinking in silk. So I don't know how that's going to go. It didn't go well the first time when I bought yin and yang. But yeah, isn't that gorgeous? This is a sticker. Isn't it just gorgeous? You could put, your colors in a box and put this on top of the box. But I'm just going to save it. I think it's beautiful. And it could go on something else. But we'll open it up. And as you can tell, it has the so-called silk threads. But they're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. But we'll see how they stitch. And this has 23 colors in it. I believe that's correct. I can look on that thing. But isn't that gorgeous? Look at all those beautiful colors. And it comes with extra black. It looks like hair, but it's not. It's just beautiful. Just beautiful. Just gorgeous. So, let me see if I can get a hold of all this. And get it. I just kind of wind it. Do it flip, and then wind. Because otherwise it'll go 6 ways from Sunday. I am not a fan of that. And you could have ordered it in cotton, but I didn't see that. Whoops. It has 24 colors is what it says on this. And it has it all broke down in sections. And all the black is black. It's 310. Yeah, that's what all that extra black is for. You have to stitch it. And so it's not on black Ada. But, yeah. So it's not very big. It is, and I'm not seeing that everything's in China. It does have a nice little key right along the side. And I think it was called Phoenix. So I'm not too terribly sure. I will put the names of both in the description box. But yes, isn't that just absolutely lovely? And it's printed really well. You can see it. It's great. The picture itself is 19 inches square. And I'm sure it's 19 the other way. Well, it's 20 going this way. So did I miss something? Nope, it's 19 in one direction and 20 in another. So 20 is 51, 48 by 48 and something or other. You can see. There's the 19 and the 20. So 48 by 51. Does it say on the thing? It says in 11 count it's 60 by 60. So that would be this way. So this way it is, yep, 60 by 60. 60 centimeters by 60 centimeters is the entire piece of fabric. But it is going to be gorgeous when it's done if I can live through all that black. So we'll see. And since it's 11 count, I'll be using 3 strands. So, and I saved the silk from 1, 2, 3, not 1, 2, 3, I'm sorry. I saved the silk from yin and yang when I converted it. So there's plenty of black that I'll have to use. Right. But it was nice of them to, let me put this on the inside, to send these little kits, because they both came from the same place. But now I have 2 seam rippers and plenty of needles. There are 2, 4, 5 needles in here, and there's 2 on the top of the actual canvas. So we will put this aside. And then I'll show you what the next one is. This is my another nemesis. I'm going to put those with that and put that out of the way. Yeah, I just barely walked through the door from work. So are you ready for this? Yeah. This one's just a small one. Just a teeny tiny one. So I'm going to bring you up. Hang on. Maybe it won't come undone. Are you ready? Look at that. Isn't that yummy? Just look at it. And it is going to be DMC floss too. But the thing I loved about this, I have this in a diamond painting. And all of this is done, you know, the whole thing is full coverage. This, you just do like the greenery, whatever is in color. You don't have to do the background. So let me see if I can figure out how to open this puppy. Whoops. Oh, okay. Well, it'll need a bag for sure. Because this bag is horrible. See, sorry for the crinkling. I couldn't get a hold of it fast enough. I'll just get rid of it so it doesn't make noise. Turn it over. So it comes with this lovely booklet. Just beautiful. If you need to use it for anything. Just absolutely gorgeous. And I've forgotten there are, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 12, I think it's 12 Chinese ladies or something to that effect. And a whole bunch of Chinese writing, so you can screenshot that and look it up on Google. Let's look at the colors before I get to the thing. No more crinkling, so sorry. But there is a horde of colors. And it has, I forgot to look. I don't know. Let me look in the book, because in the book it will have, it's 877 wide and 296 high. And it's broken down into 32 pieces. And it has, are you ready? 92 colors. There are all the colors. Just absolutely stunning. I just absolutely love this print. It's right up there with that. I don't know if it's called Chinese garden or Japanese garden. Oh, just love it. Just love it. But look at all of this thread. Let's see if I can get it to lay down. And we'll show you one by one. And they're all stapled together. Maybe I can get it undone. There's the first set. Make sure you get to see it all. I tried to get you up as far as I could. There's one. There's the next bunch. And I've got the light shining right on here, so look at that greens and all those pinks and purples. Then we have the blues and the greens. If I could just get it undone. Come on. Blues and burgundies and turquoises. Just absolutely gorgeous. And we got another one. These are the browns and greens. Just beautiful colors. Just beautiful colors. They put them all on this. Now, when I got one of those other ones, they had like the spare thread. What do you call it? On, you know, wound up and in a bunch. Oh, there was so many of those. And here's the last batch. Look at the fuchsia and, not fuchsia, chartreuse. And browns and blues. And golds. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this paper because it's making too much noise. Okay, are you ready, Freddie? We're going to see. We're going to try. I may have to lay this all out. Yeah, I'm going to have to lay it out, so hang on just a second. Okay, I laid it all out, and I measured from the edge to the edge, and isn't it gorgeous? Just absolutely stunning. I just love this picture. Sorry for the shaking, but it's like the only way. And I will write what it says as far, you know, in the description, if it says how big or whatever size it is. But yeah, just love the detail in this. And each of those ladies are almost about 2 feet tall. So from what I could measure, it is like going up and down this way. It is 27 3/4. And going this way, it's 82 inches. So isn't that over 6 feet? Somewhere in there. I'm not real good at math. But yeah. I wish I had a better light, but I don't. But yeah, it's just absolutely gorgeous. And the detail, it has a thing, sorry, your key is running along the bottom, but you can also use the key in the book for whatever color. And it's in Chinese. I mean, as far as, you know, what's straight stitch and what's, I don't know, I'm sure there's some French knots and some back stitch. And then, like French knots, sorry, I wasn't even there. Back stitch. And then your regular stitch. Yeah. But, yeah, it's just beautiful. Yeah, I'm really, really, really happy with this. And it wasn't too terribly expensive. And you don't, like I said, you don't have to do this background. And you could even leave the Chinese lettering off if you wanted to. But, yeah. It's gorgeous. So we'll start on it fairly soon and keep it out. I may have to get a bigger bag because I don't know that this is all going to fit in that. Alright, hang on. Let me get back up on the table. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, can't get it to... Alright. So yeah, it's fair good size, but you know, I don't know. Just work on it, you know, like one person at a time or one little section at a time and just go from there. But yeah, the colors are just absolutely magnificent in this. And they're DMC, it says DMC, so we'll see. And it's nice and soft. Whoops, sorry. I ran into you, but that is a lot of thread. So I don't know how to attack this as far as, you know, it doesn't have 97 colors. What did I say it had? Oh yes, it has 92 colors. So yeah, we'll see. We will see how that goes. I don't know whether to start with number 1 and work my way down. No, that would really suck because you'd have to keep moving it back and forth. So I think the best line of attack on this is to just start at one end or the other with one woman or the other. And, you know, work on that in the background and go from there. Yeah. So I am just thrilled sick with this thing. I just absolutely love it. And I'd like to work on it and finish it and do all the things. But that is a wad of colors. Just a wad of colors. So we will see. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. And that way I'm trying to get to the other one. You will know when my next video comes out. Let me try to get the other one. And like I said, I'll put the Amazon things there at the bottom and what size they are supposed to be. Because there's nothing on this. And we will see you next time, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, wash your hands, do all the things. God bless. See you next time. Bye-bye.